Good morning, everyone. I'm Joseph Neal. I'm doing a testimonial video for Liberty Aid showing you my finalized discharge student loans. What I want to do is show you the servicer who had my loans, American Education Services. Yep. And show you my name here. And I want to show everyone the total balance, 0, the loan details, and I want to show you the subsidized and unsubsidized loans that I had when I was in college. Okay, and I'm going to go here and click on view details for my subsidized loans, and it shows that it's no longer being serviced by American Education Services as of March 2024. And I'm going to go down and show you the unsubsidized student loans, no longer serviced by American Education Services as of November 2024. Okay. And show you the zero balance here. And show you the letter that I received from American Education Services on November 25th, 2024. And it says that the grantor of my federal family education loans have been discharged due to school closure, and that I'm no longer obligated to make these payments, and that the credit history associated with the discharge loans will be deleted. And I want to show you my degrees that I got. This is from Alabama State University, my master's, and my undergrad degree from Huntington College. So to put it all in a nutshell, basically I got a free education. And I just want to tell everyone that this is possible. It can be done. You know, you're gonna be up to a fight against these servicers, but don't give up. And the one thing that I do want to mention is that the borrower defense to repayment, if you decide to use that, it's only for federal student loans only, not private loans. Just want to get that out there. But you can still challenge your private loans by using JAT's debt system. I'm not sure how it would turn out, but I would encourage you all to use that. So anyway, this is my testimonial. I just wanted to show everyone, you know, finalizing everything here. So it shows you right here that it can be done. Student loans don't have to be repaid. Other than that, everyone have a blessed day. And again, thank you, Liberty Aid. Thank you, Jack, Tammy. I mean, you all are the best. Thank you.